The CNC laser cutting machine utilizes flexible and fast motion performance. Depending on the size of the workpiece being cut and processed by the user, the robot can be installed vertically or upside down to teach programming or offline programming for different products and trajectories. The laser cutting head performs 3D cutting on irregular workpieces. The laser cutting head is equipped with a follow-up device and a light path transmission device, which transmit the laser to the cutting head, and then use the focusing system to focus. Multiple sets of focusing systems have been developed for different thicknesses of plates to cut various three-dimensional metal plates in multiple directions, meeting the needs of customers.